You know, the question can be rephrased in different ways, but people want to live in a three birds home.
Interestingly, Rawson Homes had heard that we were considering building Three Birds Dream Homes, and they reached out to us and said, if you're going to do it with us.
What we're doing is not cookie cutter. We're here doing a project home to do something a little bit different.
The Three Birds style is a style of its own, and we would like to think that it is very classic. It has a degree of luxe to it, a degree of class, and hopefully a lot of longevity.
So we've got two options. We've got these, which I just need to really drag them because they...
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, they know that because look.
Yeah.
So...
God, don't on that corner.
No, it's all right. I know.
Right in the middle.
Yes, I know what I'm doing. All right. See that vibe?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Soft, nice.
I love that vibe.
Or this vibe.
I do love that vibe. I'm loving this vibe.
Like this kind of vibe.
Such a different vibe.
Yeah.
Like that is so different.
I think if it were me, I'd go with these.
There are so many pendant moments, so many wall sconce moments that are just going to be beautiful in this home, and I'm really excited about them.
Oh my God.
Oh, I know. I don't want to put my feet on them because like I wouldn't do that to Candace.
No, I mean, your feet are disgusting.
Buzz, 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 got me buzzing.
Okay, so basically we need to find something for all of the areas within the house.
You know, I'm just going to say I love this.
I know.
What's
You
not to
know,
love about this?
It's gorgeous. I love
so
the detail
nice.
of that. We have a side table.
Oh, a
Who doesn't
mini
love
one.
a side table? And you know, Bon loves to do different heights as well. She loves to create the coffee table, little side table look.
True.
It's gorgeous.
We are looking for a sofa
Yep.
in that type of fabric.
Our product team has actually just brought in the new Tulip 3-seater. It's in Dove Cream, which is actually the same boucle fabric.
Because that's beautiful. That's
Yeah.
stunning. Oh, I love that.
Oh, that's very minimalist.
Very curved, like you're looking for.
So then we've got another area, which is a little bit of a tricky area, and it's between the kitchen and the butlers.
Okay.
So it's a little nib wall.
So we've got this beautiful Bermuda console. Some more curves, because I know we're all about the curves of this
That's
house.
perfect.
Look at that. That has got such vibes.
That is
Stunning.
gorgeous. I love it. Love the colouring, love the rattan. It's a bit of a tighter knit.
Everybody get up, everybody get up.
It'd be fabulous to have some kind of round
Okay.
table, which is in a statement in itself.
What we could do, we've got this brand new Foster round dining table, and we've got it in custom white.
That's it.
Done.
Yeah, amazing.
Fabulous.
That's it.
Everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up. I can feel it, got the spirit, baby, light it now, let it hear.
So we're looking for a rug for the front entry, and this is
Neutral.
beautiful.
This
This
one?
is good. This is nice.
Well, this is a lot more relaxed than those other ones.
Yeah, and I think that's what the space needs.
Because it's a very full-on,
Architecturally, you know,
Yes.
there's all these little sculptured lines.
yes. So you
And I
want to
think
relax
this is
it.
the- relax it, softens it.
Well, rattan always relaxes a space. We
True
say that in styling
story.
school.
True story. And being an entry, you're not afraid to walk on this.
Yeah.
If in the lighter colours,
With
you'd
some
be more
shoes.
concerned, you know.
That's so true.
Yeah.
There we go. This is it.
Winner, winner.
We're midway through styling here in our latest project, and things are really starting to come together. So we've got all the major pieces of furniture in. As you can see, we've got lounges, we've got coffee tables, starting with a few little homewares. We're also putting the LG TVs in. So we've got 3 LG TVs in this house. Perfect height to me. Perfectly level, guys. Love it. Thank you. Beautiful.
I know you're sitting out.
Kids' bedroom, I love this one.
Isn't it gorgeous having
really
this bed
fun.
head? Such a cutie.
Yeah. So soft, so practical. I love it. This will be nice to lean up against.
You got me dancing with no shoes tonight. Out here in the street, taking chances like.
All right, I absolutely love these desks.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the chair. I do love the desk, but gosh, I love that chair.
I love the chair as well, but no, just the desks in here.
I know. I mean, it's a
just-
lot of space.
It is a lot of space. And you know, we took a long time working out the depth because we didn't want to make it too deep for the takeaway from the room, but deep enough for
Just perfect. I mean, that
full-study
is
desk.
a great amount of workspace, honestly. Oh my God! The DeLonghi's here.
Jeez, you scared me then.
I love it. Sort of old school cool.
Yeah, it's quite timeless. It's a
I love
timeless
it.
little design, like a little black dress.
I love these dials. And you know what I love? That you've styled it on an angle.
You got me dancing with no shoes tonight. Out here.
Colour tones of this with the coffee machine, with the coffee cups, it's beautiful. This colour, oh my God, I can't believe it. It is.
You are so
I did not-
coordinated in this house.
Look at
I'm
this.
not-
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
not quite.
Am I tonal?
Best in me. You bring out the best in me.
Isn't it stunning?
I love it. Look,
I know.
oh, this is the spot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just so cute. Then we got bars, that one on top of the books. I am massively into chess at the moment.
It's a new day. It's a new life. And tomorrow brighter than it's ever been before. Winter came and now it's gone away. It's a new day.
And that is it. It's really pretty
That is
simple in
it.
here.
It is. Well, we've got the big statement pieces.
Yeah.
The lounge, the
Yeah.
rug, coffee table, and this one here.
Yeah.
So we've just prettied up, we've just started with the soft furnishings, we'd call it, wouldn't we?
It is a soft furnishings, and the biggest feature here is the art.
Oh, it's amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's the peekapoo! Oh my God, Von, come and have a look. Now this is pretty looking toilet paper. Here, pull that off.
Pretty looking toilet paper.
Pretty, that's why I want your approval. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
Hey, look at this. Oh, it's like, oh my God, not Fruit Loops, Lifesavers. I'd like this colour
Lots
too.
of toilet paper from Candace.
She won't notice.
I'll go this colour.
Okay.
It matches my jumper.
Buy me a crown, oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now.
And the thing about this bed as well is you can get linen or white, which is really, really universal. And
Linen the fabric or linen colour?
well, both.
Yeah.
Both. And then what you do is you just add in your coloured sheet. And so the thing that's more expensive, which is the Doona cover, a little bit more cost effective, the sheet, and you can add that bit of colour, and then you can constantly change it. So you could have linen here and you could have this colour with it, or whatever you wanted, really, you know? Candle colours are so important.
Well, that's why you chose that one. Let's be
It's-
real.
Yeah. Oh, cucumber and gin. Like, no wonder I want to smell it.
Gin.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Isn't it nice?
And this is my world now. This is my world now. The beauty and the grace. Nothing we would change at all. A feeling that is deeper than the ocean, raging to the sound of us. The rush of the unknown. Awakening these untamed hearts, reaching out beyond our hesitations, knowing how we've come so far.
So girls, holding hands. Kumbaya.
Kumbaya, the first time we've sat down in the finished house.
Yes.
Well done. Yes, well done
Yeah.
everyone.
We made
Well
it.
done.
Oh my gosh, it's finished. It's so beautiful.
It is. And it's how people get to touch and feel and live in a Three Birds home. It's a Three Birds experience.
That's what I always loved, was this idea of it being the ultimate building experience, in that we've done all the designing for you, chosen the everything,
Fixtures, fittings,
everything,
flooring,
and then
yeah.
we get the experts in building Rawson to build it. For the person who buys the home, it's such an easier experience than when you have to do it yourself.
And there's so many little aspects of it that are beautiful, like really beautiful. Like you walk through that front door and seeing that staircase. I mean, I just sometimes just stand in that room.
Squander all that's left of daylight.
How about the natural light from the window?
All the light flickers all over the room with the water,
Yeah.
and it's magical. I think the biggest surprise for me in this house is definitely the main bedroom. Like, I knew it was going to be amazing, but I just didn't think that I would want to sit in it so much. It is a huge milestone for all three of us to think we started by just making that one little phone call to say, do you want to flip a home? To
7 years ago, we bought
Yeah.
our first place.
You know, it is a big deal, and when someone asks me, I haven't seen for a while, what are you doing now? I said, oh, we're just about to launch, you know, a Three Birds home built by Rawson. They're like, oh my God. And they just say to me every time, that is the best idea. And I'm like, great, I'm glad you think so, because it's happening and you can buy one on this date. I take down their name.
Feel it all.
This is definitely a really proud moment for me as you know, the CEO of Three Birds, but also just as the kind of homeowner as well. It's a really amazing feeling to live in a home like this, and it's just incredible that I work with this group of women who made this all happen.
It's a new day. It's a new life. Feel the wind change. Feel the sunlight.
The master bedroom just feels gigantic.
Like a hotel room.
Yeah, like a hotel room. It feels like you're going into, you know, a space that could be completely disconnected from the rest of the home when those doors are closed.
And tomorrow's brighter than it's ever been before. Winter came and now it's gone away. It's a new day. It's a new life. Feel the wind change.
In life, there's a few really stressful things, and I think one of building a new house and moving your family out and going through that process is probably one of the most stressful things that you can choose to do. And it's funny because now that we're at the end of the journey and I look back, it really wasn't stressful at all. I mean, we signed the contracts, the building work started, the building work continued, the guys from Rawson did an incredible job. They took all the stress away. I didn't have to worry about the product I was going to get at the end or worry about the house, because I knew the Rawson guys were doing a great job. I knew Three Birds had designed a beautiful home. So for us, it was just really stress-free, and it was just a great process to go through. For anyone who wants to get an amazing, beautiful home, why would you not choose a Three Birds Rawson home.
We're blown away. We absolutely love this house, and we're so proud of the team that's helped put it together, and the collaboration with Three Birds and the execution of the build on site. It's just a privilege to have been involved in.